Hello class 10 children. As you all know, we are doing part A, that is your employability skills, and in that we are doing ICT skills, Apache Open Office Writer. Now yesterday I had discussed with you about formatting the document, one part that was including your character formatting and highlighting the text. Now today I will be discussing about in formatting only line and paragraph spacing. Now what is line spacing? Line spacing is the amount of white space between lines of text in a paragraph. Now why you want to leave space between lines? So that your document looks beautiful. So the steps to set the line spacing are as follows. First of all, place the cursor within the paragraph whose line spacing you want to change, or just simply select the paragraph. Then select the paragraph option from the format menu. What will happen? A paragraph dialog box will appear. Now in this dialog box you have to click on Indents and Spacing tab. And then in this tab you will specify the spacing before and after the paragraph. There are already predefined specifications present there, like 0.00 inches or 0.25 inches. Whatever line spacing you want to give, you can do. Plus there are line spacing like single, multi-line, double. So these all things you can set from there. Then after specifying the line spacing, just you need to click OK. So this is about line and paragraph spacing. Line spacing means spacing between two lines, and paragraph spacing means the complete paragraph you want the similar type of spacing between the lines. Now next is setting the alignment. Now alignment, as you have studied in MS Word also, it is the manner in which the text is placed within the margins of a page. Now the steps to set the alignment or to change the alignment will be the same as they were in your line and paragraph spacing. That means first of all you will be selecting the text or selecting the paragraph. Then you will select the paragraph option from the format menu. What will happen? A paragraph dialog box will appear. Now in case of line and paragraph spacing, you were clicking on the tab Indents and Spacing, and here you will be clicking on the tab Alignment. Now once you have selected alignment, what will happen? There are already predefined spacings present: left, right, center and justified. Left means the complete text will be shifted towards the left side. Right means towards the right side. Center in the center of your page, and justify means it is equal distance from all the sides. So this is one way of setting the alignment. The other way is you can see a formatting toolbar I have made. On this formatting toolbar you have these options already present: left, center, right and justify. Just from there also you can specify. And yesterday I told you about the properties sidebar also, just like you have clip art. So in that properties sidebar also there are these options present for left, center, right and justify, align. So from there also you can specify the alignments. Now basically children, these alignment options help to make your paragraph or your document look attractive and presentable. Depending on the requirement, you are able to set your data in the worksheet in your document. Now what is the difference between line and paragraph spacing and alignment? Line and paragraph spacing are specifically done in order to make space between lines or paragraph, while alignment is once you have written the complete document, you want to shift the entire text all at once. So just by setting the alignment you can do so. Plus you can also set the alignment before. That means once you have not started writing, that time also you can set your alignment in the paragraph or in a complete document. So these are the various things that are done. Now this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.